Hi girls, this is Ishita and I'm aircraft engineer at IndiGo Airlines. This is the coolest airline and smartest airline right now in India. You must all have been aware about it. And today is Engineers Day, and our colleagues are already there with you to enjoy this day and to participate with you all to create a motivational journey for you all guys. And today is Engineers Day. This day is celebrated and in honor of Mr. M.
The license of B2 avionics, and recently I've been certifying the aircraft since 4 years. And being a female, it was initially like कि यार लड़की हो ये कैसे कर पाओगे वो कैसे कर पाओगे, but then later on things turned good. It reversed actually, and then चीजें हुई, अच्छा हुआ, and then now even my family is proud of me. I have never felt like कि यार लड़की है तो यार night shifts कैसे करेंगे ये कैसे करेंगे. Initial challenges होते हैं, but then it's your way out. आप कैसे निकालते हो उसको, and never be in that sense कि यार आप एक लड़की हो तो कैसे कर पाओगे. ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. In fact now everywhere you have equal opportunities, so don't even think about all such nonsense. आप एयरक्राफ्ट फ्लाई कर सकते हो, आप एयरक्राफ्ट सर्टिफाई कर सकते हो. यू कैन बी एन इंजीनियर, यू कैन बी सिविल इंजीनियर, यू कैन बी अ डॉक्टर, यू कैन टर्न एनीथिंग, यू कैन टर्न एनीथिंग, एनी मिरेकल्स. सो प्लीज आप अपने फ्यूचर पे अपने तरफ से फोकस करो. इस चीज को मत ये करो कि यार आप एक लड़की हो तो आप कैसे करोगे. बाकी
I have joined the aircraft maintenance engineering in 2018, and in IndiGo Airlines I have joined it in 2022. Being a girl, it's a very difficult task to being over here, and initially my family was not supported, but later on after giving all the benefits and the advantages of over there, they support me, and as I've been over here since from 1 year.
Priyanka, and as you can see, this is an aircraft Airbus A321. This is basically a deep engine. This is the engine of my aircraft. These are the fan blades. This is the cowl, and basically it is the power booster of the engine, the power booster of the aircraft. Sorry. And as you can see, this is the structure of the aircraft. There are multiple antennas on the lower and the upper portion of the aircraft. And these are the wheel. That is the nose wheel and the main wheel of the aircraft. Here, totally, basically there are 6 wheels on the aircraft installed, and this is the lights installed on the aircraft. So basically the anti-collision lights. There are multiple lights, but this is just for any incidents. You have just symbolize that something maintenance is going on. So basically these lights are kept on at that time. Okay, then coming forward. These are the antennas fitted on the aircraft. This is basically used for communication on the aircraft when you are in air with the ADC transport, with the ADC communication. These are the RA antennas. Basically, this is for calculating the height of the aircraft when you are on from the main ceiling. Rear of the aircraft is another small engine which is called the auxiliary power unit, which is the APU. And as you can see, that is the main structure of the aircraft.
और इस चीज़ में देखा जाए तो बाकी एयरलाइंस के मुकाबले इंडिगो की अगर हम बात करें तो इंडिगो ने मैक्सिमम जो है बाकी एयरलाइन के कंपेयर में मैक्सिमम जो है गर्ल की क्वांटिटी रखी है, तो मैक्सिमम गर्ल पावर है यहाँ पे. तो इन्होंने भी इंडिगो भी ने भी काफ़ी हमें सपोर्ट किया है और अभी भी करती है, चाहे किसी भी डिपार्टमेंट में हो, हमें जो है सपोर्ट करती है, हर तरीके से मोटिवेट करती है ताकि हम जो है अपने जो है करियर में आगे बढ़ सकें. अभी फ़िलहाल मेरा जो है लोकेशन लगा हुआ है एयरक्राफ्ट पे, तो मुझे जाना है. चलती हूँ. थैंक यू.
joined IndiGo as an associate technician in last year, May 2022. Now I'm work as a permanent staff in the base maintenance department. Being a girl, I was the first girl in the mechanical stream, that is P1, to work in base maintenance. Initially, it was a bit odd for everyone, even for me, to work in a male-dominated society. But eventually, things turned out well, and I managed, and everyone supported her. Then, it's a 1.5 years of experience. I can say that I am growing well with the company, with the industry, and I can wish all of you all the very best. And you, if I can do, anybody can do. Thank you.